Hey everyone, in this video I will show you the steps to import a URDF file and use it as a USD robot inside NVIDIA Omniverse Isaac Sim. Let's get started. First, open Isaac Sim, go to the top menu and click on File, Import and then select your URDF file. I am selecting URDF of MIR robot. It's a mobile robot, so enable the options like mobile base, stiffness joint configuration, acceleration drive type based on your requirements. Once it is done, you can click import. The robot will now appear in your stage. You can adjust the lighting and change the render settings to see it clearly. That's it, you have successfully imported a URDF and converted it to a USD. Thanks for watching.